what's your name?
Okay, definitely. My name is Kaiser Alam.
Okay, so I am Sukalpita.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
wait. Yeah. So, where are you from?
Actually, I'm from West Bengal, ma'am.
You're from West Bengal? Where? I am too from West Bengal.
Okay, okay.
I'm
Actually,
from
I'm
Kolkata.
from. Oh, I'm not on there. I mean, my district name is North Dinajpur. You may
Oh,
be heard Uttar Dinajpur.
okay, okay, yeah. So, do you know why are you here today? Of course, you know to speak in English.
Yeah. Exactly, exactly. Why not?
So, as a profession, what do you do?
Uh, I'm a student, ma'am, and as well as I'm also working in private sector. I'm working in showroom area I'm in office stuff on my showroom, on our showroom.
Oh, okay, that's great. So, today we'll talk about job. Okay, job.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
are you familiar with this word? Do you know what job means?
yeah. Something work is the similar word. Job means like, suppose we are working. That I can say.
Yeah, like
I think
any
so.
work. You are right. Like any work is a job. So, do you think when you are going to the office, to the showroom, so you are going to a job, but
Yeah,
when a mother is going to pick up her child in the school from the school, is it a job too?
yeah. I think so. She
Yes,
also working
definitely. She is
her
also
work.
working. Like she is doing her duty as a mother. That's her also job. And you are going to the showroom,
Yeah.
that is also a job. That's correct. Okay. So any activity that requires a person's mental and physical effort is work. मतलब कोई भी इंसान जब अपना दिमाग और physical effort लगा के कोई भी काम कर रहा हो, that is the job. Okay. So
Okay.
today I'll ask you some questions. अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो you can ask me back. Okay, about the
Okay.
meanings.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
you are going to a job, to the showroom and all. So why do you want a job? Why are you going to it?
Actually, it's need for me. Actually, it's need, especially for need purpose. And otherwise, I can say everyone wants to do a job for their living purpose, for uh, doing something specialty purpose. I think so.
Okay. So the main thing is the money. You are going to do a job because you need the money and you want to do something work, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
So what is your dream job? As you said that you are a student,
Mhm.
right? So what are you studying?
Yeah. I'm doing my graduation, ma'am, in Open University, not regular. Netaji Subhash Open
Yeah,
University.
that's fine. Which subject?
Yeah. Absolutely English honors.
Oh, you have taken English honors. That's great. I have done graduation in English honors too. So you love
Okay, thank
literature? You love
you.
literature? That's why.
Yes, yes, exactly. Why not? Actually, we are for study purpose. We learn something new, and we are
Hmm, definitely.
especially why I'm here. I just understand what is happening all around the world and why we need to
Yes.
skill, and that's also the reason I'm here. And I talk with many of my friends
Hmm.
how they are speaking, how they are confident while speaking.
Yeah.
So that's also the reason how my communication skill day by day grown up or not. So that's also the reason I'm here. And yeah, I love speaking. No worry about it.
Okay, so that's it. That's great that you are here to polish the way you speak. You want to get better.
Yeah,
That's it.
ex-
Yeah. So,
exactly.
yeah. So, Kaiser, what's your dream job? Like, what do you want to be in life?
Uh, you know, everyone must have a dream job, but I also want to be a good communicator in my profession, in my like why I'm learning. What is the reason behind it? What is the main motto of learning this skill? Because I want to show myself in the world that I am capable. I am motivate. new friends, new
Hmm.
one who is beginner, who is also interested like me, and who is want to speak very well. I just motivate them. That's also the reason I'm also be here. And
Hmm.
my dream job is I want to show myself as a communicator.
Okay,
I
that's
think so.
great, Kaiser. What
Yeah.
I have learned as I was just listening you to speak, you were good at it. There's no issues. You just have to be a little bit more confident when you speak, and that's it. You are great when you speak. That's okay. So you wanna be a
Actually,
hmm.
okay.
Yeah, please continue. I wanna know what you were saying.
Actually, while talking to anyone, I feel uncomfortable. Why it's happening with me? I don't know, but when I started speaking, that time it continue going on. But sometime it appear in my side. Oh, I'm not
Hmm.
confident. I can't speak. But overall, I feel that I'm comfort to
यू आर
anyone.
कंफर्टेबल यस क्या होता है ना काइजर मैं आपको काइजर कह के बोल रही हूँ काइजर क्या होता है जब भी कोई फॉरेन लैंग्वेज होता है ना फॉरेन लैंग्वेज मीन्स लाइक मी बीइंग अ बंगाली दैट इज माय मदर
Yeah,
टंग बांग्ला हमारी
yeah,
मातृभाषा सो वेन एवर आई ट्राई
yeah,
टू स्पीक इन हिंदी नो कभी कभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि ये वर्ड हिंदी में सही होगा ना वहां पे सही बैठेगा ना लोग
yes,
मुझ पर
yes,
हंसेंगे तो नहीं
yes,
तो दैट्स द थिंग इज हैपनिंग विथ यू व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश यू आर थिंकिंग इफ यू जस्ट मिसस्पेल समथिंग और अपने कुछ गलत बोल दिया तब तो हंसेंगे तो नहीं that's fine like that's why we are here we will polish you that's
mm,
great so
mhm.
you have said that you want to become a good communicator like a spoken english
Yeah.
trainer or something you wanna like what do you wanna be in life like not a even
Uh,
if you're a good communicator that's fine but like as a job purpose or something else like what do you wanna be
Actually, I want to be a teacher in government sector, but
oh
maybe the reason it's not appear in my side because here I can see maybe you also heard about the government sector is maybe heavy corruption. I think
hmm.
everyone is understand the situation,
Yeah
the government
hmm.
purpose. So that's also first reason. I also want to be on there. Next option I choose for my side that I communicate everywhere. I can speak everywhere. That's in my upcoming say my uh, mentality.
Yeah, yeah.
I
That's
can
great. Hmm.
okay.
Like corruption is everywhere guys and you cannot stop people to
Yeah.
corrupt you but you have to be aware of yourself कि आप कैसे हो but yeah
Huh.
corruption is everywhere I can see in West Bengal too but let's not go there that's very political let's come
Yeah.
to our topic so do you ever have you heard about job security like any word such as job security if I say that Kaiser I work in an office but I
Mm.
don't have a job security so what do you think I'm saying
Yes. If you don't have job security, like your family also have your side, then your family also belong in your side. That if you have job security, then they also find everything with you. I think so. Job security means everything you can protect that job purpose.
Okay. So you know what job security actually is? Like in some private sectors, they don't offer you a full-time job. They would just say that you are going to work on a contract. Okay.
Okay.
Or but in government job, we have the job security. Like for the lifetime, you can work there as long as you want, and after that, you will
Yeah.
get a pension. So
Yeah.
job security is the knowledge that your job is permanent as long as you
Yeah.
want it to be. Okay, that is
Yes.
job security. And nowadays, because of Corona, I guess no one has that job security in their life. Like everyone is very unsure that job is gonna stay or not. We all are very afraid of it.
Yeah.
So, like, is it important? Like, if you're doing a job, is a job security important to you, or it's like, okay, fine, I don't need a job security.
No, no. Actually, everyone wants to job security because it's need. It's need for everyone. Why?
Yes.
Suppose I'm working in private sector. Why I'm working? I have job
Hmm.
security. That's why I'm working. Without job
Hmm.
security, why? What is the reason behind it that I'm working over there? There is no
Hmm.
any specific reason.
Hmm.
That's also need for everyone. So according to myself,
According to me. Yeah, that's great.
yeah.
So there's like government job sectors and you work in a private job sector. Which one would you like to have? Like, what do you think? Government jobs are better than permanent private jobs?
If you talk about government sector, everyone choose government sector. Uh,
Hmm.
many of the term over there because you have at least 60 years, uh,
Hmm.
60 years
More
job
than that,
security.
yeah. From six
Yeah,
to 10 years and more than that, yes.
yeah,
Hmm.
and you must have at least in salary. There is
Hmm.
no difficult situation coming in our government purpose that you must
Hmm.
whatever you have job increment or whatever your
Hmm.
salary base, so you
Yes.
definitely found that type of salary. There is no uh, no problem over there,
No
I think.
confusion over there, yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. And in private
And
jobs, what happens?
in private job also such types of facilities come of the job,
Hmm.
like if you work MNC company like
Hmm.
IIT sector, I think there
Hmm.
is lots of benefit. Maybe if I compare to government to private, then maybe uh, IIT sector is better than the government
Like
sector,
it's
I think
growing,
so.
it's rapidly
Yeah,
growing. Yeah.
yeah.
But
If
you know what
you are
I feel?
spend
Yeah,
more
yeah,
time,
please say.
yeah.
Hmm.
If
Please
you
say what?
spend more time, if I or if anyone spend more time over there in IIT
Hmm.
sector, then they choose you or they choose that types of person, and they in, I think increase their salary, their increase their
Yeah, they do. Hmm.
everything
But
you
hmm.
can find over there because there is such types of facility. But if you talk about as a general area, general
Hmm.
private job, there is not such types of accommodation. Then you can find
Hmm.
everything over there. This
Yeah,
is
that's right.
also the fact of
Hmm.
government or private purpose.
Yeah, that's great. So, Kaiser, as you said that you were a student and side by side you work in a showroom. So,
Yeah.
do you know what is a encore career?
I just
Encore
heard.
career.
I just heard, but exactly I don't know what is the exact meaning of about this
Okay. So,
word.
you know what happens? Like, think about that. There's like you can be a teacher. Like you teach at school, that's your permanent job. So after the school hours closes, then what do? You take tuitions outside
Okay.
school as a second career. Like you are doing your job in school, you are completing all your duties as a school teacher. Then after the school hour closes, after the school closed, then you are taking some tuitions from
Mm-hmm.
other kids. That is your second career. So, what an encore career is, a second career that someone has after. Like, people are having this encore career nowadays. Like, before that, people used to take that after retiring. They used to think that after we retire, we'll relax,
Yeah.
we'll do some easy work from home type of job that will give us
Yeah.
money and we won't get bored. But nowadays, people are so unsure with their job only that they do both of things together. So what do you feel
Yeah.
about that? Would you like to do that? Like after you get retired, then will you take another job or something? Or you just relax? कि नहीं अभी तो हो गया अब तो और कोई काम नहीं करना है.
Actually, when everyone has such types of position, everyone want to some work because without work, any we feel that it's bored. It's really bored
Hmm.
situation.
Hmm.
We must need work. We must need at least so simple work that we handle
Something, yeah. At
everything.
least
Like
something to do.
yeah,
Yeah.
there is
So you would
also
like
need.
to have that.
According, yeah, according to me, I also want to such types of accommodation on that time when the time is
Hmm.
coming in my side.
Coming, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
That is so like far away. You are still young. You can wait. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.